We are going to be creating a cityscape using simple shapes, starting with a white piece of paper and a pencil. That's all you need. First thing we always do, write our name. This will be the back of my artwork. Flip it over. My pencil, I'm going to draw 2 vertical lines going up and down my paper, then 2 horizontal lines going across my paper. It looks almost like a tic-tac-toe board or a hashtag. Now, to add some shapes to put our buildings on. First one we're going to draw is a circle. It can be anywhere on your paper. You decide, and how large you want to make it is up to you as well. You don't have to put it in the same spot as I am. It can overlap some of the lines that you already drew as well. The second shape we're going to draw is a square. However, if you turn a square, you get a diamond. That would be also okay to draw for this next shape. I'm going to do a square down here in this part of my artwork. The third shape we're going to do is a rectangle, a long skinny rectangle. It can be horizontal or vertical or even diagonal. I think I'll make a diagonal one in this area. The fourth shape we're going to do is a triangle. Triangles have 3 sides. They can have 3 equal sides, or 2 long and 1 short, or 2 short and 1 longer. There's lots of possibilities. Here's my triangle. All right, now that we have our shapes, we're going to start drawing some buildings. In a moment, I'll show you my example again, and you can see that my buildings are in all different places. So anywhere there's a line on a shape or the original lines we drew, I'm going to start drawing some buildings. They can be tall, short, maybe they're apartment buildings or stores. It's up to you. Let's look here at my example once more. There are buildings upside down, right side up, diagonal. I have trees, I have cars. You can draw any of those kind of buildings as you're creating your cityscape. At this point, I'm going to continue adding more buildings. It is a city, and cities have lots of buildings, not just a few. So you want to make sure you add quite a few buildings, trees, cars, apartments, stores. The next thing you're going to do is, once you have everything drawn with pencil, you're going to outline with a thin Sharpie before we start adding color. This video is sped up, and I'd like you to take your time. Now that I have it all outlined with black Sharpie, I'm going to begin adding color with markers. Each of you will get your own set. And we're going to color, and make sure you take your time. A tip with coloring with markers is to outline an area. Then I just use lines. Instead of going back and forth, I use lines to fill it in. That way I get all the spaces and I have a nice smooth color. And there again is my finished cityscape, and I can't wait to see yours.